Knowledge Bank. Number 1. Why is the ocean blue?
Answer.
The ocean looks blue because red, orange and yellow long wavelength light are absorbed more strongly by water than blue, short wavelength light. So when white light from the sun enters the ocean, it is mostly the blue that gets returned. Number 2. Why does an empty Tetra Pak crumple when we suck air out of it?
Answer.
When we suck air out of an empty Tetra Pak, it crumples because the air pressure inside the Tetra Pak becomes lesser than the air pressure outside it. This excessive outside pressure exerts force on the walls of the Tetra Pak and makes it crumple. 3. Why and how does a matchstick light up?
Answer.
The head of a matchstick is covered with phosphorus. Phosphorus catches fire easily at 50 degrees Celsius. When a matchstick is struck on the rough side of the matchbox, the friction generates enough heat for the stick to light up. Number 4. Why does ice float in water but sinks in alcohol?
Answer.
Ice floats on water but sinks in pure alcohol because ice is lighter than water but heavier than alcohol. Number 5. Why is it quicker to cook food in a pressure cooker?
Answer.
The boiling point of a liquid increases with the increase in pressure. When the pressure inside a pressure cooker increases, the boiling point of the water is increased. This higher temperature helps cook food faster. Number 6. Why do we bring our hands close to the mouth while shouting across to someone far away?
Answer.
By bringing hands close to the mouth, the sound is not allowed to spread freely in all the directions. It is rather directed to a particular direction and therefore the sound travels louder and clearer in the desired direction.
7. Why do we perspire on a hot day? Answer. When the body temperature increases on a hot day, the sweat glands are stimulated to secrete perspiration. It is the nature's way to keep the body cool. During the process of evaporation of sweat, body heat escapes, thus giving a cooling effect.
8. Why does a lioness hunt for food instead of a lion?
Answer.
Lions have manes around their neck and head which is of light brown to shiny black in color. It acts as a hurdle for camouflage during hunting. So, beautiful tawny colored lionesses that blend in perfectly with the surrounding hunt for the pride. However, young nomadic lions hunt for themselves. Number 9. For what purpose was the Colosseum built?
Answer.
The main purpose of building the Colosseum was to provide a grand amphitheater where Romans could go for various forms of public entertainment, including gladiator duels and public spectacles such as an animal hunt, reenactments of famous battles, mock sea battles, executions and drama. Number 10. Which Indian village is known as the chess village?
Answer.
Marottichal is a small village in Kerala which is well known as the chess village. In this village, people begin to play chess as an alternative to drinking after a complete ban on alcohol. The village is now known as Chess Village due to its 100% chess literacy rate.